perform each indicated conversion. We need to convert 75 degrees to radians. And the second question, we need to convert 3 pi over 10 radians to degrees. So the relationship between degrees and radians, let me write that formula here. We know that 180 degrees is same as pi radians. If we divide both sides by 180, we get 1 degree divided by 180, so pi over 180 radians. Okay, so if we want to convert degrees into radians, we need to multiply by pi over 180. On the other hand, if we divide this by pi, the first relationship, 180 equals pi, divided by pi, we get 1 radian equals 180 degrees over pi. That means if we want to convert radians into degrees, we need to multiply by 180 over pi. Okay, so let's answer part A. So it's a degree into radians. So degree into radians, we need to multiply 75 by pi over 180. And we need to answer as a multiple of pi. So 75, so we need to keep pi in our answer, that many radians. Let's simplify. 75 on the top, 180 on the bottom, and we need to cancel the common factors from 75 and 180. You can use your calculator. If you try using your calculator or just in your head, 5 divides 75, 5 also divides 180. At the same time, 3 divides 7 plus 5, 12, so 3 divides 75, and 3 also divides 180, so 5 and 3 both divide 75, 180, 15. So 15 goes 75, 15 5 times, that's 5 on the top, pi on the top, and 15 divides 180, that's 12 times, so 5 pi over 12 radians. Or you can rewrite this as 5 over 12 pi radians, same thing. Okay, part B, convert 3 pi over 10 radians to degrees. So radians to degrees, we need to multiply by 180 over pi. So 3 pi over 10, we multiply by 180 over pi, and it becomes degrees. That is, now let's simplify, and we can see pi cancel. 10 180, 10 divides 1 times, that's just 18 times, and that's it. So we have nothing left on the bottom. 3 times 18, 18 times 3, 54 degrees. Next, convert negative 210 degrees to radians. It's like part A. So all we have to do is multiply this angle by pi over 180, and it becomes radians. Now we can cancel this 0 because 10 divides 21 times, 10 divides 18 times, 21 and 18, 3 divides 7 times, 3 divides 6 times, so we have negative 7 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6 radians. Finally, part D, convert pi over 5 radians to degrees. It's like part B. So we multiply pi over 5 by 180 over pi. That is, pi cancel, 5 goes 1 times, 5 goes how many times? 5 times 3, 15, 16, 17, 18, 36 times. So that is that many degrees. So that's 36 degrees. Final.